Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Trump coin on Kucoin in 2025. So if you're looking or you're interested in buying Trump coin, look no further. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of purchasing your Kucoin Trump coin on Kucoin, which is one of the most popular crypto exchange in the world. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned investor, this tutorial will make the process very easy for you. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Just type KuCoin and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here. Click on this first link and you'll be taken right away in here. Let me tell you that KuCoin is not like a browser, or not like a website for browsers or for PCs. It's an app for phones mainly. So you will probably be asked to download like the app. As you can see, scan the QR code here and download the app. So make sure to do so on your phone if you don't have it. Like an example, that's if you don't have an account. If you have an account, you already know this. You already know that you'll have to do this. So if you don't, feel free to do it. As an example, if we go here to this login at the top right corner, we'll be able to log in into our account. We'll be able to use like Telegram, Google, Apple, if you don't want to get through all the bonus steps of creating or even logging into our account. If we go here and try to log in into my account, as an example. So yeah, let's just go here. So the login password, I don't know if I remember that correctly, but let's hope I do. And yes, I am a human. So select all images that match this. So it's going to be the balls again. And yeah. So basically what I'll do, I just connect it now into my phone and I'll just scan the QR code normally and it should be good to go. So yeah, they sent me a code. I'll just go and get that code right away into my phone. Now I should be connected. So I'll just go and do that. Now I'll go back here to KuCoin. Click on back and normally QR code. Yeah, right. That's okay. Now I'll scan the QR code with my phone and I should be connected right away. So I scan it, authorize on my phone. I just click on authorize on my phone. And as you can see, authorization succeeded. Now I am connected on my websites here. First, if you still did not complete the verification of your account, make sure to do it because without that, you'll not be able to fund your account and you'll not be able to buy the Trump coin. So to add your funds, of course, you can go to the top right corner, add funds, click on it, and you'll be able to deposit crypto or buy crypto directly with your card or deposit fiat to buy crypto. So basically up to you to do whatever you want. Once you added your funds, if you go here to assets example, you'll be able to see your assets or your funding account if you funded it, yes or not. Now we can go basically to markets right here. So once we go to markets, as you can see, the first thing that you'll find in front of you is clearly the Trump coin. Why? It's basically the trending coin at the moment. You can't find it at the trend of any market. If you go to Coinbase, Binance, wherever you go, you will find it at the top because it's the highest exchange. Okay, it's not the highest as team, so maybe there's Clay and Elon. I don't know what's that, but anyway, it's one of the highest, and it's basically the trend right now. So you'll just have to go to it, click on it, and as you can see here, you'll be able to see the overview about it. Basically, like any informations about it, you'll be able to read it out right here. So as you can see, like what is the Trump meme coin? Who are the founders of it? Who are the founders of Trump meme coin? How does the Trump meme coin work? As example, so all the information that you may want to know. You can even see like the price of it 3 months ago, 30 days ago, 7 days ago, today, example, and etc. You can see even official Trump conversion rates, like to USD, to euros, to Australian dollars, and etc. So other than that, now all you need to do is to simply buy it. How can you buy it? For you, you will find a buy button right here. normally it should be around here, but anyway, maybe you'll have to get into the spots first. So let's just go here and click on the spots right here, as you can see. So Trump to USDT, click on spots. Of course, you can go to margin as well. I don't advise you to do so because like high risk. Of course, it's high reward, but it's high risk as well. So as you can see in here, and you'll be able to start buying it. As I said, I'll not be able to do it on my account. Why? Because I still did not verify my account yet. I'll need to verify it first. Then I will be able to do it. So, but for you, normally you'll be able to buy and sell from here right away. So, as an example, please set trade and password, etc. So, basically completing the verification. Once you completed the verification, you'll be able to do it without any problem. So, you'll be able to come here and set the price that you want to buy with. So, as an example, I want to buy 100 amount of Trump. You will see the price, as an example. For me, I have a 0 available USDT, so I'll not be able to buy it. But for you, you should be able to. So just set the price or the amount that you want to buy of Trump coin. And for you, normally, you should like be able to click on buy and buy it right away. Of course, you can set some limits. You can see the market. You can sell it if you want. You'll be able to do whatever you want. And it's up to you to go with the margin. It's very risky, and it's up to you to do whatever you want with it. So yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.